In this tutorial, let's learn how to fill W-8BEN form. Before starting this video, let's see what is W-8BEN form. It's a certificate of foreign status of beneficial owner for United States tax withholding. It's an Internal Revenue Service mandated form to collect correct non-resident alien taxpayer information. Initially, my W-8BEN form was rejected due to some missing document. Now I am filling a new form. Let's do it together without any mistake. In this section, you need to choose type of account. If you are an individual or self-employed, then choose individual. The other option is for registered businesses. Click on Next. In this section, you need to choose if you are a citizen or resident of the United States. I am not a citizen of US, so I am choosing No. Click on Next. In this section, you have to choose the type of W-8 form. In most of the cases, it will be the W-8BEN form. Now click on Start W-8BEN form button. In this tax identity section, you need to enter your full legal name. DBA section is optional. Here, you need to select your country of citizenship. My country of citizenship is India. In taxpayer identification number section, if you have social insurance number, you can update under foreign TIN. I am updating my social insurance number. Click Next. In this section, you need to enter your residence address. Currently, I am residing in Canada, so I will update Canadian address. I will click on the checkbox. Mailing address is same as permanent residence address. Click Next. In this section, you can claim tax treaty benefits of a reduced rate of US tax. It depends on whether your country of residence has a tax treaty with the US. I will choose Yes and check this box. From this drop-down, select your country of residence. In this section, you need to select the type of US income and the corresponding reduced rates of the US tax. I'll choose Services. Click on this box and select Article 7 and Paragraph 1. And withholding rate is 0%. Check this box. And also I will choose the checkbox Other Copyright Royalties. Click on this box and choose Article 12 and Paragraph 3. Withholding rate is 0%. Check this box and click Next. Step 4. Activities and services performed in US. I will select No. Check this box and click Next. Step 5. Tax reporting. US tax document delivery preferences. I'll select Go paperless and check the box I accept the paperless delivery agreement. Click on Next. Step 6. Document preview. You can click on each link and check the individual W-8BEN form. If I click on the first link, it will open the PDF form and you can check the detail. Check this box and click Next. In this page, you need to review the information. Step 7. Certify and sign. Check this box. In this step, you need to read this declaration under the tax form certification. Check this box. Finally, you need to acknowledge and need to confirm that you are the beneficial owner named in the tax identity section of the tax form. Enter your full legal name. Click on Submit. You will get the confirmation if your W-8BEN form is approved. I hope this video is helpful. If you have any question, please leave them in the comment section. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.